I'm ripping in my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Yella 254, man. Live from the side of the motherfucking road. Good, bad, and ugly, baby. You know, we share it all. So, I was out doing hood rat shit. And my transmission went. I can't go forward, can't go backwards. It's just stuck, and it sucks. Cause I was almost the fuck on. That's Copper's Cove right up there. So, almost made it. Back to the house. I was on my last run. I was getting everything dialed in, and fucking fuck. So here we are on the side of the road. Just called a tow truck. We'll get her towed to the crib. And then go from there. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure. I know it's a transmission. I know it ain't the engine. And shit fine. Then when you crank it up, I can hear some shit like rattling and shit like a shit. So I'm going to wait on the tow truck get here, then should I cut y'all back on, man? It's part of the game, man. Fucking with these cars. Trying to go fast. I heard trying to go fast. Fuck it. I wanna go slow, nigga. I wanna go slow than a bitch. My suspicion of what happened is fucking that the gear shifter linkage is not always I think it fell out of fucking gear. What is it? I don't know. It don't make sense. Because if it fell out of drive, then they would go to, I guess, neutral. So, I don't know, man. But we'll see. So that's my co-worker. He just pulled off, see me on the side of the road. He's like, yo, you good? I'm like, yeah, man. Fucking shit sucks. And he's like, yeah, man, you want a Diet Coke? Vitamin water? M&M? So I was like, yeah, sure, why not? I'm not going anywhere for a little while. He said he'd give me a ride, but I gotta wait for the tow truck anyway, so didn't make much sense to me. Didn't make much sense to me. Yeah, so this shit followed me, man. I knew that it wasn't always having issues, but then again, I had really never been going that fast and had it slipped or anything. So I guess I'll show y'all my plans for when we get a new transmission or get this one rebuilt. So that we don't have this problem again. We're going with the B&M Pro Stick. Yeah, B&M Pro Shift Stick. Pro Stick Shifter. This is the cable. This is like the little stand to put it up on, so it's just a little bit higher. I don't know if I showed y'all this before. This is the bracket, so the cable, so it locks into each gear properly and not slipping around like we had it doing. And then this is this Pro Stick shifter. Got it from a buddy for the free, but I did have to buy the bracket lever kit. This here. There's also a cover that goes over this that I bought. So fucking the revenge of fucking Sunset is gonna be fucking tragic for y'all. So, but till then, man, I'm gonna enjoy my fucking M&Ms and Diet Coke and vitamin waters until Chuck get here. Y'all been busy tonight?
This time of year, everyone wants to be on the road.
Yeah. Most of the flats or catastrophic failures or...
Honestly, tonight, man, it's just getting people moving their cars around.
Yeah.
Not necessarily anything to really break that.
Oh. I think they're all neutral at this point. We're now moving under the power.
My first car was a cousin, but it was a 4-door, 81.
Oh, nice.
That's cool car.
I said, I was planning on putting a 28,000. But I was having some issues with the tune, so guy sent me one and then just had me like log the data to get the engine dog and everything first, and then was gonna get one from either Ted or something that I work with. They sell like the aftermarket ones that are wise. Yeah. Okay. I was so close. I was like super duper close to home. I don't even think it was. I honestly don't even think it was a mile, to be honest with you. Maybe a mile and a half, 2 miles. Definitely under 5. Probably under 2. Yeah, what you need?
Get in, put your foot on the brake.
Okay.
What I'd like to do is release the window.
So that's gonna about wrap it up for this video. I should have been fucking home sanding and shit. Working on the fucking Tudo, trying to get it ready for Whip Fest. But nope, out doing hood rat shit. So does this mean the covers is just making that much power? Or was it just a slight incident? I'm gonna go with slight incident and power. So probably might get it rebuilt. Might go a different way. I don't know right now. All I know is that sits on the back burner until further notice.